last 2 days here. I attended the 2-day seminar workshop on digital marketing.
P. Pradeep Kumar from Adarsh Vidyalaya, Devendra Nagar, and we really enjoyed this 2 days digital marketing training program by Pranshu sir.
In Kalinga University, which we have learned on the digital marketing, where we have learned what lot of things, how to enhance the sales.
I have done my advanced diploma in digital marketing a couple of years back. But after attending this workshop, it was like a brush up, enhancing and remembering all what you have done.
Today I got opportunity to attend this workshop on digital marketing, where the most thing I liked was about strategy.
I really enjoyed the session. Mostly, sir, how relatively taught me about digital marketing.
Pranshu has covered all the aspects and the modern trends in digital marketing, and the corporate participants have mentioned that it is of very much useful.
It was a very insightful session. We, being a digital marketer,
They sing so well.